Did you crack your knuckles today? Well, here's the scoop behind that satisfying sound. Alright, let's dive into the science. When you crack your knuckles, you're actually collapsing gas bubbles in your joint fluid. Yep, it's like a tiny bubble wrap party in there. And guess what? It takes about 20 minutes for those bubbles to reform. Here's a fun fact. Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. So feel free to keep on popping. But if you can't crack them, don't worry. It's just your joint anatomy playing hard to get. Like and follow for more odd facts about things you never knew you needed to know.